I changed my shirt from yesterday, but everything else is new. I haven't changed it because Josh is still sleeping and I didn't want to wake him up. But we are heading to the post office because I gotta ship off a box. So we're gonna leave our house and go to the post office and come back and play. Okay? Okay, let's go. You better be good. Oh, better be good.
Yeah.
We made it. You ready to go in so I can ship this box? Okay, you ready? Let's go. Let's see if she's on her best behavior or not. I highly doubt she will be, but we'll see. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let me get my bag. Hold on. Now that Gemma's taken her nap, it means I get to vacuum my pool and clean it. I just got done editing a video, and now I get to vacuum my pool. So let's get to vacuuming it. It's not too dirty, but it needs cleaned. Still needs cleaned. And did I mention Gemma also threw a rock in the pool? I forgot. She did that earlier today. Threw a rock in there, so I'll have to get it whenever I get in the pool because I can't get it now. But I'm gonna clean off the leaves on the patio. My hair's a mess. Don't mind it. And she should be waking up in an hour. So I'm gonna hurry up, clean the patio, and clean whatever else I gotta clean. It's just a clean day while a child is napping. Tell her when you went potty on the toilet like a big girl. You went pee. And she was not happy, as you can see in her face. But she got a green sticker and a piece of candy. What? You ready to go outside? What? What? See how mad she gets? Man. What do you want? What? Why are you getting mad now? You're not a big girl anymore. Not with that attitude. Let's go outside. You need to start being nice. You want to go on the swing? Go on it with boy? Woo! Want to get on?
No.
No?
Here you go.
He made it for you.
Here you go. Yeehaw. We don't have to horse up to this.
Yeah, right. You threw a rock at my pool. I have to dive in and get it. Here, you want to feel the water? You want to feel the water? Come here, we'll feel it. Here, touch the water. The water. Woo! We go swimming soon.
Kiss it.
No. Is it cold? Yeah, cold. You done? Yeah, you're wet. Oh, wet. It's coloring time. Let's see what we can create.
A happy little melody.
Well, that did not last too long of coloring the sidewalk with the chalk. She did not seem very interested in this. So, I'll have to figure out something else to do. Until we go to my grandma's house, because we're going to go see grandma today, I think. No, wait for me. Wait for me. I don't know. I'm gonna see about what this is. So we're gonna try and figure this out, I guess. Come here. Let's figure it out. All right. What is this? A Shrinky Dinks Fairy World. Color in pink. Shrink 30 Shrinky Dinks. All right. Let's see what this is all about. All right. What do we got? What do we got?
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh.
Whoa! A big girl.
Wow! All right. Let's see how we do this. Be careful with that, please. I don't want to get poked in the eyeball. You already hit me in the eyeball. You already hit me in the eyeball once today. That's good enough. Line up pink and green felt. Press them together as shown.
Make it pink. Clank.
I don't really know how I'm doing this, but okay. Repeat the process to make the bracelets too.
Whoa!
Whoa! Alright, what's this?
Again! Baby!
I have no clue what we're doing.
Taco.
No clue. Alright, I thought this was going to be something easy for me and her to do, but it isn't. Actually, this is going to be a fail because this is just way too much. And you gotta preheat your oven to 350. Cover your baking tray with aluminum foil. This is just so many steps. Yeah, so many steps, but you can have that and this necklace. Here.
Yeah.
There you go. How pretty is that? Alright, I'm gonna get the crayons. I mean the Play-Doh.
But
I'm gonna get the Play-Doh.
Carol.
What color? Plain.
Red.
What color? Pink or orange?
Pink.
Pink.
I don't want pink.
Alright. Let's set this aside. And play with some Play-Doh.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Wow.
Here. Have you ever played with Play-Doh?
Pickle.
Here. Touch it. Wow. You can make it into a ball.
Look. Wow.
A ball. You make ball. Go like this.
Ball.
Rub it between your hands. Come here. Come here. Here. Watch. There you go. That's how you do it. Make a ball.
Ball.
Yeah.
Look.
You can make a bunch.
Bunch.
A bunch. Smell.
A bunch.
Ooh.
And a bunch.
Push.
A ball.
Push it. Smash it. Smash it. Ooh. Yeah. Look at her little fingerprints.
Popping.
Yeah. Look at that. Let's make a handprint.
Popping.
Make a handprint. Here. Hold on. No, stop.
It's a puppet.
Yeah, paw print. Her little handprint. How cute.
Puppet.
Yeah. Do again. Here. Up. Wow.
Puppet.
Yeah.
A puppet.
Yep. Hand print, not paw. You don't have paws for hands. Yeah, actual hands.
Poetry.
I guess she just wants to keep doing handprints.
A puppet.
Paw print. It's a hand print.
Puppet.
Hand print. Well, we just left my grandma Larson's house. And now we're at my mom's house, and Gemma was not too impressed with grandma. Not Grandma Larson at all. So, but we finally got her to give her a goodbye hug, and now she's playing her Minnie Mouse guitar. We are gonna be eating. Say we're gonna be eating tacos. She was getting a drink and you ruined it. We're gonna be eating tacos for dinner, and I am starving. My stomach is growling up a storm. You got water all over me, sissy. Thank you. Alright, tacos for dinner. Here, let's get in the high chair first.
Taco.
Come here.
Taco.
Tacos!
Take it.
High chair.
Apple. Eat taco.
Paw Patrol.
Pacho. Taco.
Eat. You ready for some tacos?
Taco.
Yeah. Ooh, look at this.
Taco.
Yep. Alright, calm down, lady. Calm down. Here's your water.
Please.
So I guess I will end tonight's vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. See, this is what I deal with. Gemma stabbed me in the face with her stickers. Well, in the eyeball with her stickers because she was mad. He claws me in the face to get attention, or when he's mad. It's always in the face. I'm always getting hit in the face. So on that note, I will end the vlog here, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.